A very good morning to all of you.
Very good morning, Yash.
I am here, today I am here to describe the topic lines and angles. Before starting this topic, we should learn about the figures of shapes. From earlier classes, we are studying about shapes of figures. So now we will discuss some types of shapes on the basis of their dimensions. First one is 0D shape. What is the meaning of 0D shape? A figure that has no end dimensions will be called as 0D shape. For example, a point. In mathematics, there is only one figure that has no end dimensions, means no length, no breadth, no height. It will be only a point. Now about 1D shape. A shape or a figure which has only one dimensions will be called as a 1D shape. Today we are learning about the lines. It will be called as a 1D shape. Now about 2D shape means two dimensions figures or shape. A shape or figure which has two dimensions, it will be length or breadth. For examples, triangles, squares, parallelogram, quadrilaterals, these are all examples of 2D shape. Now about 3D shape. In mathematics, there are so much examples of 3D shape. For example, cuboid, cube, slender, sphere, etc. Now we will come on our topic, that is lines and angles. First of all, what is the meaning of line? As we have discussed about that, lines is a 1D shape, means it has only one dimension, that is length, and it has no any ending point. Now about line segment, it will be called as a type of line or a part of line which has two ending points. Now about a ray. Ray has only one ending point and it has no any other ending point. Now about angles, when the two rays meet at a point, they form an angle. For example, if we take two rays, the A and B, if we will join these both rays, will it form an angle. Now types of angles, there are so many types of angle. First one is acute angle. When the measure of angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it will be called as an acute angle. Now right angle. If the measure of the angle will be 90 degree, it will be called as a right angle. Now about obtuse angle. When the measure of angles is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it will be called as an obtuse angle. Now about straight angle. When the measure of angle is completely 180 degree, it will be called as straight angle. Now about reflex angle. When the measure of an angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it will be called as reflex angle. Now about last type of angle, that will be complete angle. When the measure of angle will be 360 degree, it will be called as a complete angle. Now about intersecting lines and parallel lines. When two lines intersect each other at a point, it will be called as an intersecting line. And each angle formed after the intersection, it will be equal to each other. Now about parallel lines. The two lines which are parallel to each other and never meet at a point, it will be called as parallel lines. Thank you. Have a nice day.